I'm definitely gonna solve this cube today. Solved. My home is looking beautiful. There is no door in this room, and this is not my home.
I'm bored, I have no idea what to do. Oh, cube, let me solve this. That was easy. Which place is this?
Welcome, welcome.
Hello mister, what's going on? Look, I'll call police.
Hey, lady darling. Wait, did I kidnap you? You came here automatically.
This room has no door. Tell me what's going on.
The cube should brought you here. I was playing cube when I was 8 years old. And I solved it, then automatically came here.
Cube. We are inside the cube. What should we do now?
I have no idea.
I'm sorry I hurted you. I was confused.
Is that mean you're gonna start family with me?
Stay away from me.
I was kidding.
You came here when you was 8 years old.
It's been 10 years now.
Are we going to be forever here?
I don't know. Why did you play Rubik's Cube? It's better if you opened the door from the bottom.
Opening the door from the bottom. Who does that?
Why, what's wrong with it?
Just shut up.
Okay, you don't need to make up, you are already beautiful. And you know that. So you started playing Rubik's Cube.
What do you mean?
Okay, I was just kidding.
We have been stuck here. And you kidding? By the way, where is food here?
These natural things don't matter here.
Congrats, you are the lucky customer of Rubik's Cube. I hope you enjoyed the special room. You solved the cube differently. And you are the second person to be in special room.
Lucky customer.
Thanks for watching.
Like the video. Then subscribe and share.